Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And while I'm working on the project and I'm waiting for the parts, so since I cannot continue this, I decided to do a video update on a project that I did a year ago when I lifted up the truck, took all the tires and everything out, and I painted my frame and most of the parts that I could paint. So it's been a year. I drove through the winter, through the fall and spring. So let's take a closer look how the frame looks and if it actually was worth it. So let's find out. Now over here I don't have my tire and everything disassembled, so this is a good way to look at it. Now I'll be honest, I tried to wash my truck after off-roading many times, but the way this paint is, it's very tacky or something. The paint, the dirt, it sticks to it a little bit. So no matter how hard I try to wash it, it's kind of still there. But nevertheless, you can still see the difference from how it was before. I'm gonna try to post a comparison video of how the frame looked before and now.
Flashback.
So this is pretty much how my front looks. Before I sand it off, try to grind that rust off. So let's take a look at it now. For the most part, I don't really see any rust coming through. I mean, yeah, there is some rust over here, but that might be due the way I painted over there. Maybe I didn't paint it well enough there or something. But for the most part here, it looks good. And the same as over here. Just, I know it's hard to tell when everything's kind of covered with dirt. Some of it washes out, but some of it does not wash out, so keep that in mind. But there is not a lot of rust. I don't see a lot of rust coming through. The rust will be coming through, like over here, yes, there is rust over here, but I've been working here, banging here, so maybe that's why. But over here there's no rust. Now if you look at the frame itself, there is very little rust there as well, or nearly no rust at all, just a little bit of a dirt again. But once again, just because the way everything just sticks to that paint. But in a way it's good, because it doesn't chip or anything. I think it holds up pretty good. Now over here there is some rust over here, but that's probably something I did when I was working with removing the engine mounts. Maybe didn't paint it good there. And over there again, nearly no rust. So overall, I'm very happy and impressed how this paint worked. I'm gonna leave it in the description again, the paint I used over here. So this is the paint I used, the RP-342 black. Honestly, I'm very impressed how it holds up. Again, I'm not the best painter. I try to do my best to clean it and sand everything off, but I think it holds up pretty good. Like I said, the only downside to it maybe is the dirt, that it kind of sticks to it. Like over here, you can see this stuff over here. I tried to power wash my truck multiple times, but especially I went to off-roading in Pennsylvania, I still cannot get rid of that mud or that clay that I drove through there. Like, I washed it many times over here. Some of it came off, but some over here is still there. But anyways, most of this stuff been pretty good. Like you see guys over here, look at these chunks of clay. I still have it. But this paint, this military grade paint, is actually pretty good. I'm very impressed. I was expecting worse result after the year, but this is pretty good. I used different paint before to paint different projects, and within a year a lot of the time paint comes through. Like over here, I painted with a rust reformer before. I tried to clean most of the rust from over there, but still I got rust coming through it. But over there is no rust. So this is actually, I still have to do something here. So this guy is just a short video update on what I think about this paint after a year of using it. I'm pretty happy with it. Will I use it again? Yes. Will you use it? It depends. If you cannot deal with little bit of a dirt sticking to it, maybe you want to look for something else. If you guys don't care, if your main concern to prevent rust, this is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. So today is just a short video, update, just to show you how the rust look or lack of it, and what I think about this paint. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.